Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन हरिभक्तन की जय, रामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, धामवासी भक्तवृंद की जय, गौतमानंदे।
I put up there.
That's it. Another one room that side.
Behind?
My room is many. Another one where? There is two pieces. There is two like another one here. There is two here and no need this.
I don't know where one went. I'm not touching. They took for cooking.
My room has many. 340. One is one for sitting. Top of. Hey, here, top. Down, no giving.
Behind?
He pagal.
No.
He has no brain. He is mental. Putting top up. Hey, there are two pieces. There are two. Why putting down?
Yeah.
Putting little high. Now which are going light? Light giving this side.
Light must fall in like this direction more to the people.
Why putting this one in middle? Sismat Prem Bhakti Chandrika Sila Narottam Thakur. He is explaining काम क्रोध लोभ मोह मद माश्चर्य दम्भ सह स्थाने स्थाने नियुक्त करिब आनंद करी हृदय रिपु करी पराजय अनायासे गोविंद भजिब. He is telling these senses all time disturbing, and how can there is now I am using for God's service. He is saying I have 6 great enemies, but they are now make with me friendship. They like me. That enemies are called Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Moha, Mascharya. He say they are against of this God service and Krishna bhajan. One, this my enemies, I am giving great service, then they are never disturbing me. Like Krodh, where using Bhakta Desis. My anger fire, like Hanuman, he is Ramchandra's against Yeah, bhaktas against anybody anything doing is now this anger is using that places. And Kam Krishna Arpani. This last is this one like is toxin. This is where using all time service for. Day and night serving the energy, everything going and never is disturbing. And no serving lazy crazy people there will be last this followers and last which they have making very sweet business. And low is greediness. Where I am using, then saying Sadhu, Hari Guru Vaishnava, speaking Harikatha, that things hearing for I am using. Moho, this I have affection. This affection, where using? Oh, how can I am understanding pure soul and soul? Therefore, again and again, I am making some affection within the soul and pure soul followers. And jealousy, Masterja, where using? Then say, oh, my all against person. There is all time repeating me, but I am everything using for feast and program. How? Tadeva Ramam Ruchinam Navam Navam Tadeva Sasat Manasu Mahotsavam. Minute to minute, new Bhagavad Prasmadhurji, drinking for my senses and mind, I am there is using. And my mind and senses understanding, oh, these Visharas, very bitter and very useless. Bhagavad Madhurya, I am drinking, then this is for good for me and tasteful, very tasteful. Krishna saying, Devijasa Gunamai, Mamaya Durabtaya, Mamavaji Papatanti, Mayamitam Tarantiti. Arjuna's for Krishna saying, this Jiva Mohini, Trigunatmika, is Maya very strong. And but God near is took shelter, then Maya Devi never coming in, never disturbing. God lotus feet, anywhere took shelter, then all enemies are, they are not fighting, not giving punishment. Bhakti Devi help and very powerful. Then Bhakti Devi with his friendship, all enemies are coming, will be close and favorable, no more against. And God lotus feet anywhere took shelter, then great enemies, nature is changing. How changing? Then telling, Arir Mitram, Visam Patam, Vaittam Adharmo, Dharmatam Prajit, Suprasanno Rishikesha, Viparito Viparjaya, Harutuste, Jagat Tatra, Jagat Nakasya. Hari is pleased, then all enemy will be my good friend, and poison will be nectar. And all dharma, adharma is near, will be dharma. All changing and transfer, and all are returned and coming near. Back. Narottam Thakur is saying, see her is lotus feet, anywhere took shelter, there God service for will be qualified, all good brain calming, good intelligence, good friends, good helper, there is helping. Like giving one example. Before, one very powerful king, he has small one state. He is thinking, this is my big country. And he is all citizens and neighbor near, he is telling, you are my qualities, everywhere explained. Then they are telling Maharaj, you are not great and scholar, you are not qualified. Another king is qualified, and you are respecting everybody and friendship making, then you will be happy. He said, no, I am great, I am superior, I am scholar. All are my qualities, everywhere is telling and explaining. Then say, Maharaj, you are not good person. Why? You are not respecting anybody, and you have no own like capacity. You very small. Then he said, no, I am great, honest. And then he is telling all, anybody coming my state and country, they are all are respecting me, not any other. And without my respect, they cannot stay my country and state. Slow and slow, everybody is against, everybody not following him, and everybody left him. Then his country and state has only jungle, animal. After animals are also left, there is Rama. They are also not like him and not stay with him. And then he is alone. Big state and country has no people. Now he is left his country and state, he is gone for his bhajan path. Then many people came, many Rishi Maharshi Brahmarshi. They are also say, I am great. All are worshipping me. All are following me. And then I am helping everybody. He is very greedy and he is very proud. No people is going his nearby. After, all animals also left him. After he is alone. Like honor, all senses with his all are get relation, but he not offering on respect of his senses any other senior authorities, then his all senses are against and disturbing. And he is already offered himself, then the senses are will be afraid. Then saying, oh, you have now protector and you have guardian. Then never disturbing, never disturbing. Telling here, one Brahmin came, he is saying, you doing sadhana and aradhana for God. I am not your enemy, I give you good advice, you follow me. He said, no, this is not possible, I can follow. He said, yes, you following, then we will be happy. Narottam Thakur saying, like my all Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Modh, Moh, Master, they are with me, they are my against enemy. but I am hearing sadhu, Guru Vaishnava's advice, then they are never will be strong, no will be my enemy, no disturbing. They know, yes, good helper, good friend, and he has guardian, then they are never disturbing. And there will be followers, they are not then against. Narottam Thakur next is saying, Krishna Seva, Kamarpani, Krodh Bhakta, Desijane, Lok Sadhu Sanghe Harikatha, Moha Ishtalabhavine, Mad Krishna Gunogane, Yukta Kariba Jatha Tatha. Narottam Thakur saying this, I have this Kam Adi, meaning these 6 enemies. How can I am using? Krishna Seva Kamarpani, God service for my all desire I am using. Like own self, anything is doing, working, this is called Kam. Kam meaning own desire fulfilling, or desire. And God for all my desire, then no, this is called Kam. This is called service seva. Krishnendra Pritivancha, Thar Prem Nam. Krishna's happiness for anything is doing, this is called Prem. It's not Kam. And own happiness for, enjoy for anything is doing, this is called enjoy, yeah, recreation, yeah, Kam. Like Kam and Prem, non-difference, same one line, but say no. Like Ganga, water is flowing and rain water flowing, both are like water, but both are not equal, no same quality. Krishna Seva for, God service for, all desire, then God happiness for, then this is will be Prem, Niskalanka, very clean. And there are no any spot and darkness, no problem. Then you one by one step going up to up, and own self is doing anything, then up to going down to down, stairs to, and after going in oil, hell, there too, not possible, coming up, yeah, out. There is one hellish plant, and there all time moving and suffering. Also that attraction very strange and strong. That affection very dangerous. Uddhava for Krishna is saying, Madharte dharma kamartha acharan madhav upasvaya lavati nishala bhakti my Uddhava sanatani. Oh my dear Uddhav, anybody took my shelter and myself is, they have love. Then the myself is dharma, artha, kam, moksha, all things following. Then there, jala kamana, mundane desire will be off and finished. Mat kama sanakai sadhu sarvan munchati ritsvan. Sadhus are taking me where in heart, and myself is doing everything. Then he has any dirty, the enemy against, there is coming and disturbing, if feeling is pain, but I can tolerate. Therefore, their heart is cleaning, purifying, making very strong, very sweet, very humble, no more anger, lust, anything is not disturbing. Any enemy never coming. How How understanding? They have no jealousy, they are not insulting any bhakta, any devotees, and anybody, anything telling strong, he is tolerant, he has patience. He is never will be disturbed, not will be hopeless. How? Realizing all time very basic for service. His service is running. Service meaning Savan, Kirtan, Smaran, with Padasivan, everything is running, non-stop, never stopping. Yes, all sweet relation. Like, give an example, Daksha Prajapati is Mahadev for abusing, disobeying, neglecting, and too much strange is telling. Then Shiv Thakur, he not lost his bhakti, no bhajan, he not accepting this. Any bad person has bad qualities, bad things, they are distributing. Good person, honest person, they cannot get things taken. They never like these things. They not take it. Like one person, one plate stool is bringing and giving fresh stool. Please you take. Then no take it. Then giving piglet, very happy. So now thinking, all are is piglet, pig, dog and hog, yeah, man, human, woman, man, yeah, gentle. Gentle then, why taking any others complain and blame and guilty and faults? Within plate, come and giving, offering. Very sweet taking. Now somebody offering, then I am quickly taking and after distributing. I am will be gentle. Like one time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in South India, many persons is changing within Harinam Sankirtan. One places he is gone, they are only Buddhists, only Buddha, the Lama, Guru. Then they are looking Mahaprabhu, doing Kirtan, 1,000 million people following, and there is very disturbed. They are bring one plate, big plate, all meat and all this rice and food and grains, and telling, okay, you are sannyasi, you are taking this prasadam. Mahaprabhu, Nam Sankirtan, big one equalist came, big one, and taking this plate is this lama head to, hand to, and flying. And after this plate is throwing this lama's head is all cracked and cut, is fallen, is injured, is senseless. All disciples requesting Mahaprabhu, please Prabhu, please, you are forgiving him, giving him life, please, all are Guru, Acharya. Then Mahaprabhu what say? Yes, all are starting Nam Sankirtan. Harinam Sankirtan. Then Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Mahamantra chanting, then Lama getting sense. And he is also dancing and doing Nam Sankirtan. So now is, problems is, all are without any fee, without any condition, without any other process, anybody giving this blame and complaint and lot of sins and offense, guilties, everything giving and quickly taking. This quick nature. All, and then amazing distributing. You know, last night, last day, yesterday, one sannyasi gone, this lady is near, you know, very sweet things, you give good news, then at a time sending Facebook, photo, picture, like this, his big event, big announcement giving, big prachara, higher, superior Acharya, president of Acharya. Who is Acharya? This false ego, false pride, unnartha Acharya. No Paramartha Acharya. Paramartha Acharya, we cannot look in this toilet. But Rishabdev, they are what doing? Passing toilet and smearing body. Govinda Mata, Devoti also like doing. Then nobody coming nearby. You give announcement I'm bad and nonsense and stupid, then nobody coming nearby. You telling him good little, I am following this Guru and Vaishnava's line, these books and Harikatha, Harinam Sankirtanam, then say yes, nonsense, stupid. Before he is fallen, now he is saying, I am now Acharya Guru, Guru Ghanta. Many things they are giving blame. But Bhaktas not thinking, not looking. Mahadev not taking this Prajapati lectures, this complaint, never hearing. He has jealousy. Therefore he is insulting Shiv Thakur. Shiv Thakur has no faults. If they are sitting, inviting, then sitting. But he can tolerate. He is now abusing. Anybody giving blame, there has this nonsense business. They have quality. They cannot cross in Maya. They cannot cross with Tamagun, Rajagun, Sattagun. They are not Nirgun places, they cannot stay. Devi, what is saying? Karno Vidaya, Niraya Yadakalpa Isi, Dharma Vitarjat, Sinivir Nivira, Ashamani, Siddhat Prasaya, Sutim Asutim, Pavusya Jiva, Asanapi, Tato Visijit, Sadharma, Dharma Raksha, Dharma's protector. Let person insulting, hearing at a time, cutting his tongue, otherwise killing himself. Otherwise, had to going, air is closing and going distance and no accepting that person insulting. And otherwise, you have power, then you stop him. And no power, they are to going, remembering God, Harinam, and after bathing with his Ganga Jamuna, and then fasting, then purifying. Otherwise, problem. Low satsang harikatha. Low means goodness. Lalsa. Mundane things for no. Low, no greedy. Otherwise, will be sick. Mundane things for greedy. Then is problem coming. Harikatha, sadhusanga, and sadhaka, that things for greedy, going, and automatic, hunger, and any other desire, fire, moha, everything will be finished. Tameva nittam srinadavignam, Krishna avalam bhaktim avipsyamanam. Great persons near, hearing Harikatha, Krishna which is making prema bhakti, and hunger, fire, thirst, family relation, everything will vanish. How? Devasi Narad telling this Prachin Gandhi. Tasmin Mukarita Madhuvistaritra, Piyusa Sesa Sarita Paita Savanti, Taji Vimanta Pritisha Nipakana Karni, Stana, Smishanta, Asana, Tira, Vayaso Kamuhana, Tira Vas Kamuha, Rajan, you know, Haris, glories, anyhow, hearing, thinking, remembering, sadhu nyatu, then definitely giving Bhakti. Without Harikatha, another thing not helpful. Coming inside, burning, and like acid, and any other wrong things is giving his body can tolerate. Same, the soul cannot taking any mundane things. Therefore, don't give. Giving, then you are suffering, tension, depression, and too much disease and going distance, far away, suffering only. Therefore, don't give any bad things. People have no idea. Like babies are born, they have no idea. Taking hand to catching earthworm, toilet, anything, soil, clay, or putting mouth, or eating. No brain. Same now, all has no brain. Therefore, every day, many wrong things, collecting, and then after suffering, no, they are any medicine. No other purifying for, no helpful anything. Na kamayanato tadapyaham kachinna jatra jismacharanam bujasabam mahattamantam hridayam mukham achyuto vidya sakarna judame samibara. Oh, Nath, oh dear, Prabhu, your glory is very tasteful. Why not tasteful for me? I am not get liberation within Maya. I like this soul for giving and some soul food. I like, but I am attached within this Maya. Therefore, sadhus, this Harikatha and sadhus near going for, I have no desire. But I like. Then they say, Prabhu, you helping me, I am crossing Maya. Agriha mukti tabe sarvandanaas. Tabe se hoite pare Sri Krishna das. First is get liberation to Maya. But how? Let's say, I am moha. This moha, too much affection, too much attraction, attachment. Taptaka Bhakti, any body else, like knowledge, they are very strong, they accepting only these pure Bhakti Yoga's things, otherwise they other things is neglect and avoid. They are keeping distance. Oh, no. I cannot hearing other Shravan Kirtan, other glories, other things, other anything I cannot touching, looking. No, I am taking. Very strong then. And this is strange mode, say no. Rup Sanatan, Raghunath, yeah, Swarga Goswami are Mahaprabhu's not followers. Their house character very strong. Mahaprabhu one day saying, Gramya Varta na sunibe, Gramya Katha na koibe, Bhalo na khaibe ar, Bhalo na poribe. Every day not giving announcement. Every day not giving instruction. Only one day, once a time, Mahaprabhu saying, everybody, this is following. Never neglecting. And very strong, very serious. They cannot refuse. Therefore, the soon is getting Atmaram, Aptakam and good all qualities. And Mahaprabhu's order, instruction is following, Mahaprabhu's love and affection is automatic dropping and calming their near. After next is saying, Mad Krishna Gunagani. Mad means proud. Say Abhiman. Abhimanam Surapanam. False pride, then intoxicated. Big problem. Big, painful. The intoxicated and then never left, never forget. Ahankaram nibrityanam kesava hi duragaha. Lot of ahankar, proud, then God is very far away. Ahankara dhanam madhye parvata asvayo. This proud is like hills. And Kesav, then very far away. No ahankar, then very near. Krishna Gunagan. First is Bhaktas. with relation and bhaktas, Gurugan is helpful for me. After bhaktas with relation, then bhaktas heart has Krishna's with relation, then Krishna Gurugan automatically come. Then will be ekantik. Ekantik nujosya kanchanartham vanchandi jevai bhagat prapanna arthudbhutam tatcharitram sumangalam gayanto ananda samudramagna. Gajendra, elephant, he is praying God lotus feet near. Oh, my dear Lord, Sihari, I am forget everything. I am very proud. I have big body, elephant body, and I careless. I am never singing, hearing, and not going sadhus near. Now I am requesting you make me Kinchan, Akinchan, Ekantik. I am now surrender, put center your near. Now I am hearing your all nice glories, and I am very happy and pleased. Narottam is saying, Bhakti sadhan for only this desire, this is big disease. Bhaktas are Bhakti sadhana for all other bhaktas near staying. Then bhaktas are protecting. How protecting? Advice, instruction, inspiration, order. After not possible, then making one provided area. Then these enemies are never entered, not possible. They cannot give him time. 24 hours, they busy. Then they cannot come in. Anyatha svatantrakam anarthadi jaranam bhaktipade pathe sadade bhangot. কিবা সে করিতে পারে কাম ক্রোধ সাধকেরে যদি হয় সাধু জনার সঙ্গ। Sadhus near any ordinary person, very fallen soul came. Then sadhus are first time to giving instruction. Hey, follow what? Dehato visyan bhangsha sangaste su bhajati sangat sanjayat kama kamat krodha vijayati kudat bhavati sammoha sammoha smriti udhama smriti bhangsha dhutinasu dhutinasa dinasati. First telling, hey, don't thinking about Vishay, no meeting with Vishay, no talk with Vishay, no going there, no meeting with them. Now they giving ban, very strong. You thinking any Vishay, any Bhogi, and little listen, there is all badness and qualities coming automatically. Then big problem. What problem? That Vishay has this desire for enjoy. Atmendriya Prativansha. Own senses enjoy for desire. Family, many my relatives. They are with them staying, they are enjoy for desire. Then I am with them, atmosphere like same, then I am attached with them, then my desire will be same equal. Then saying, don't go there, they are not your family members, they are your enemy. You come, you stay here. Within sadhu. Otherwise, your desire not fulfilling, then you will be angry, and anger fire too much, then you lost your brain, and after brain is lost, then you are going finished and suffering life to life. Maharaj is there. Oh Maharaj, you come here. Maharaj, give him chair there, otherwise he not coming. Why standing, sitting? Not coming. I don't know. Giving there, otherwise he not coming. Bench is there. Why?
Come.
Narottam Thakur is saying this bhakta, devotee, not independent. They are under guidance of Guru Padma, sadhu under guidance, there is staying. Sadhunam samachittanam sutarang matpitatmanam darsannamno bhavetbandha pungsakno sobetirjatha na asmayana tirtani na devamit shilamaya te punnantu rukalena darsana deva sadhako. Krishna himself is telling, Nalkubir Manikirniyar, sun arising, then no more darkness, no more problem. You are first day meeting within sadhu, where in your Kuber Loko. But you thinking, I am throwing the sadhu and I can like the sadhu, I like my enjoy, but you know, sun arising, then darkness going. All thief and all dacoit, all bedbugs, worms, all are running, hiding, owl is hiding. Same, your inside is enjoy for desire, too much, and you are no like this sadhus. But sadhus that came you near at times, they are your anartha and everything there is destroying. You are now, they are giving darshan. The darshan is enough for life. Any tirtha, near is going tirtha, helping later. But sadhus are at time purifying everybody. Holy river, holy dham, not too much helpful, but sadhu more powerful. More. Therefore, they are at a time taking you that enjoy place to and sending Vrindavan after giving you eternal service for Adhika. This is your meditation, austerity, goodness which is not possible. The sadhu's own speciality which is possible. The sadhu not thinking all jivas, how can progressing. They are not looking his fallen soul, useless, bogus, he has lot of anartha, this and that, not thinking. They are at a time giving good chances. Oh, you do bhajan, each and Harinam, following Ekadashi. Otherwise, you come at Vrindavan, no looking qualities, no checking. কিভাবে করতে পারে কাম ক্রোধ সাধকের যদি হয় সাধুজনার সঙ্গ সত্য ভজন রসাবিষ্ট বিষয় কামনা শূন্য নিত্য শুদ্ধ মুক্ত স্বভাব সাধু হাউ ডিজায়ার হাউ নেচার ভজন রসাবিষ্ট one side this mundane maya rasa and therefore sadhujar has bhajan rasa sadhujar বিষয় কামনা শূন্য. They are not desire for enjoy. And here they are Shuddha, pure, Mukta, Pavitra. Their Sangha, association is very helpful. How is sadhu? Sadhnoti, sadhaviti, sadhu. They are doing sadhan bhajan and another person also they engaging for bhajan and sadhu. This is one person running for Maya, sadhu, catching, holding, and saying no more running, come back. Look at them. They are very strange. They are not helping. You jumping Maya, no, come back, return. This is their specialties. Sangha, satsanga labdhya bhaktya, Mohimang Soh Upasita Satsanga, then automatic bhakti seeds is there is planting. Anywhere is planting. Krishna saying, Mamavaje Prabhadante Mayamedam Tarantite. Iti Anusarana Krishna Smita Ribhum Basa Nahi. Krishna saying, anybody took shelter of my near, then I am helping purifying. But sadhu say, no need shelter. They running wrong way, I am bringing back God way. This is our duty. Telling Maharaj Yudhishthira for Draupadi. Krodha mula vinasahi prajanamiha dishyati kruddha papam naram kurjat kruddho anyat gurnopi kruddha purushaya vachat Sreyaso abhi avamanyate vachyavaso hi kupito na prajat nati karchit hingsam krodhat abadhangstu badhan sampudetcha atmanam picha kruddha visaydat jamasadhanam kruddha hi karjam susruni na jatavat prabhusyanti na karjam cha na marjadam nara kruddho anupashyanti na karjam asti kruddhasya na vachyam vidyate tatha. Then susruni Draupadi, you know, this anger is only destroyed for one fast and last process. Anybody like destroying everything, then he is took shelter, anger, fire near. Fire is coming. You are welcome for waiting and giving some chances, and more fire is increasing. And after acquiring, and you are near, anybody came, you are that person also involved, and they will be observed. And another person, you are distributing the anger. This anger, fire is killing guru, or great persons, everybody is destroyed for this anger has no more. This control. This anger is more increasing and destroying everything. And this anger fire sending Jamloka, and then brain not working. Treatment for Ayurveda is telling this growth first is giving apasmar, unmar, murcha, nasika, ritpinda, pagastali, raktasrap, raktaroman. First your brain will be damaged and brain hemorrhage. After you will be crazy pagal. After senseless. After bleeding with his nose. After heart is blood pressure going high, and your stomach indigest. Growth then not digest, and after passing urine then no going bleeding and vomiting blood. Many this disease is coming within anger. Too much anger, then bas at a time sannyas, meaning to finish. Therefore, Jostu Pradam Samutpannam Pragya Pratibhadati Tejasvinam Tam Vidyanso Mannati Tattadasina. Yudhishthira Maharaj saying, Pandit, Panda, Metujala Buddhi, great personality, great good talents and good brain, they are never this anger or not welcome for not giving chances. There is Mahasutru, big enemy. They are commit like for living. No more calm, mania, this is not good way, and not this platform, this place for not to you. Lobham, pragyanam, ananti, pragyahanti, hataryam, dhirata, padadharmam, dharmahanti, hatasriyam. Anybody is very greedy, then his brain will be defeated, and he is not shy more. And any greedy person, his same is lost, finished. And other person has anything, stealing and by force taking, and he is not shy, then he is not follow any dharma's rule regulations. All auspiciousness, everything is finishing. लोभात् क्रोध प्रभवति, लोभात् काम प्रजायते, लोभात् मोहस्य नाशस्य, लोभ पापस्य कारणम, लोभेन बुद्धिश्चलति, लोभ जनते तृष्णां, तृष्णार्थ दुःखम् आप्नोति, परयत्र च मानवः. This love, greed, you have, I have. Then this is not fulfilling. Then anger is get bad. Anger coming. Then after anger is inviting moho, desperate thought, and any sinful work is working. No more control, and he will be then greedy. This life, next life, all time is suffering. In this world, collecting grains, collecting gold, collecting animals, why? Everything is coming, collecting, but is more greedy, more greedy, more greedy. More collection for day and night. After last moment, everything which is not happy. Vihaya kaman jasarman bhuvan sarvespriya nirmamo nirahankaro sasanti mati gacchati. Krishna is saying, nispriya nirlobh, no more spriya, no more desire, no more greedy, no more proud, no attachment, and no affection. Everything you left, then you parasanti, very peaceful life. Maharaj Bhartiyari, like, is writing 100 sloka. U parjanko nijabhurjata kandukam kang vitana dipassando virati vanitalapta sangha pramuda dikyantavhi pavana chamarai vijanamana samantat vikshusete nipaiva bhuvi tatta sarva spriyapi. He is saying, one beggar, he is begging door to door. After a short dream, oh, will be like king one day. I am nice bed is arranging. I am house to house walking, summer season, and then I have no shoes. I will be king, and all road I am making within carpet and giving shade, going house to house, bhiksha for. Then they are not giving me bhiksha, then I am giving them strong punishment. So these greedy people like short dream. One by their dream. I am doing this. Like one boatman in one boat is tying with his one rope and pulling, walking, going. He is thinking, I will be rich and king, then this road I am making nice flower, petal with it soft and sweet. No more throne, no more stone, no more everything. So this is dreaming, these people. And sometimes thinking, oh, I have will be thousand wives, they are running fan, chamor, and massaging my body. This one by greatness coming, mundane spriya, mundane desire. How can they getting parasanti? Sadhu, they are telling, Mama Pita, Mama Mata, Mahimam, Grim Griham, Abam Vidam Mamatam Jot, Samham, Idikitita. Padma Puran sing, my father, my mother, my wife, my children, my house, my. This is more. Then everything is mine. Not I, not you, not us, not the whom and them and same. This no. Only mine and mine. This is more. Katavakanta kaste putra samsaro motiyo vichitra kasyatang tubba kuto ayata sattam chinta taritam bhrata krishto dukhi baddho ayam hastapadadimanaham iti bhavan rupena vyavaharana vidyati naam dukhi name deho baddha kasman mai iti bhavan rupena vyavaharana muchyati nahamasam na chastini dhyad inna parohitam इति निश्चयं वानंत क्षीणविद्यो विमुच्यते कल्पितो अवयम अविद्वयम अनात्म अनात्म भावना पुरुषेण प्रबुद्धेन न प्रबुद्धेन राघव. Asking Shankaracharya, who is your wife, who is your son? No, this world is very strange and very this like bitter. Who are you? Where from come? Who is your brother? Are you thinking about this? Ramchandra telling Vasishtha Maharaj. And Vasishtha Maharaj, there is Ramchandra, Jogpa sister. Ram, you thinking about this. You are alone, you are came here, going alone. What are you thinking? Who is for person for thinking? Don't thinking for anybody. You are will be happy and pleased. You will be sweet. सुनिया गोविंदर बापनी पलावे सब सिंगर विजन करिगन सकल विपत्ति जाबे महानंद सुख पावे जार হয় একান্ত ভজন सुनिया गोविंदर आपनी पलावे सब गोविंद 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 all time chanting and remembering. Then what is problem? This Govinda's holy name is hearing, all running loud like one lion is roaring. At that time, elephant and other animals hiding. Similar, this Govinda's holy name. How chanting and telling Govinda Namanasya Kosi Nara Bhavati Bhutale Kirtana Devato Syabi Papam Jata Sastada Govinda Nam doing Kirtan thousand since there is running, no coming, no end, no more. सकल विपत्ति जावे आनंद सुख पावे जार হয় একান্ত ভজন. All senses are against enemy. There is run away, all dangerous position and crime, anartha, everything sadhaka near to going. And ruchi, nishtha, asukti, everything will be very strong. Sivasu, which is there is very happy. Then no more problems. ना करिए और चेष्टा लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा सदा चिंता गोविंद चरण सकल विपत्ति जाए महानंद सुख पाए मुक्ति परम कारण. ठाकुर महाशय नरोत्तम ठाकुर सिंह ना करिए और चेष्टा लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा. Only temporary life, refugee came here, and Krishna and his bhakta and bhaktis for any program. This is not asur, not bad. This is good. And otherwise, I am business, farm, many things I am doing. But for whom? God for not anything. Then this is cheating business. God for doing, then this is not my business, this is God business. God service for, they are not problem. Uddhava for Krishna saying, Madharte dharma, kamartha acharan, madhapa asraya, navadir Islam bhakti, mayuddhava sanatani, Uddhava, Mania took shelter. Then they work lot of, but everything for me, and then everything become good, then become good result, then no more there is attachment, then no anartha. Bhav, mood is good, then not thief, they not will be punished with any others. Tomorrow, next is hearing now.